Jayal Baba Godriwala Jayal Baba Gilaram Story 7 Supernatural Life Sant Baba Hardas Ram Godriwala English Translation Part 1 Satguru Saint Baba Hardas Ram Sahib knows the whole world by the name of Godriwala. His simple lifestyle, high thought and direct service is the biggest attraction. Along with the human welfare initiated by him, the worker serving the animals and environment remains our ideal guide, with whose influence our life has become happy and prosperous. Baba Hardas Ram was born on the 4th of December 1904 in a middle-class family in Healthy Beldi village of Sindh, Pakistan. His father's name is Sabram. He was a businessman. Mother's name was Mata Ruchika Devi. His childhood was spent in his own village and primary education was also there. Baba was very strict from childhood. His child's mind had a big impact on his elder brother Narayan Das, who was a great philanthropist and God devotee. Jayal Baba Godriwala